Today, in the review meeting, we already discussed in detail, because I already told you vaccination drive of the age 18 to 44 will start from tomorrow. So I would like to request, because see, today when health department opened the portal, here especially in Shillong, it was already full. The slot was already full. Even in the other districts, the sign says that 18 to 44 people are willing to go for vaccination. So our request is this, because we don't want a rush. So we have already regulated in a way that those persons concerned will get the detailed information through their mobile. It will be indicated over there, and from the area where they registered, it will be instructed, you reach that particular vaccination center at that site. And I would request all the concerned stakeholders to follow those messages very, very strictly and clearly.